I'm like spinning circles and shit. But like, I don't want to get dizzy. Look at the juice bar. Oh shit, look at the juice. Okay, so some people make pork chops and they're just dry. They don't taste good. They're like rubber, beef jerky, pork jerky, whatever. They're just not good pork chops. But that's not what we do here, right? We make really delicious food. So we're gonna make some really, really juicy pork chops today, and we're gonna start, well, we already started. Come on, let's get to work. Number one thing we need is some nice, thick, juicy pork chops. Look at that, okay? And some lemon juice. Wait, that's lime juice. Lemon juice is yellow. Garlic powder, smoked paprika, sea salt, ground, coarse ground pepper, and of course, meat thermometer. We don't guess here, okay? And what is this? Oh, my thing. Everybody has to have one of these. Shot glass and some tequila. If you don't have tequila, get your drink of choice. Because we drink here. Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and drink this. Oh, baby. And we're gonna start small. So we're gonna start with this. Cheers, folks. Hey, if you were here, you drink with me, then we start cooking. Nobody cooks anything until we drink. Woo, baby. Woo, I should have filled that up. Oh well, I'll get some more later. These are $3.26 total price. And this is almost 2 pounds, folks, 2 pounds. 1.93 pounds for the whole thing. Fantastic, right? Really good deal. Okay, so when you're cooking pork chops on the grill, you definitely want to use a good, thick cut of pork chop, right? So you either have center cut pork chops or you have the rib cut pork chops, okay? You don't want the thin cut pork chops that are like this big or the boneless. You definitely have to have a good, thick pork chop to start, or else you're gonna dry it out, and we don't want dry meat. So we're gonna go ahead and open these bad boys up. And you know the first thing we need to do, rinse them. Right, rinse. Okay, so we gave them a good rinse, and now we're gonna do a quick pat dry here. A little lime juice. Put some lime juice on there, just a little bit. This is gonna help break down the connective tissue on the actual pork chops. So we're gonna go ahead and put some on both sides. Not too much, just enough. It doesn't mess with the flavors or anything like that, so we don't have to worry about that. We just wanna get that on here. Okay, then we're gonna move on to the next step. What should we do first? How about some garlic powder? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Garlic powder. All right, we don't need too much. We just need to spread it evenly all around. Make sure everybody gets a little bit of garlic powder, okay? This is Porky Pig and whatever her name is. We're just gonna make sure they both get some garlic powder. You see, you rub it in, it sticks, right? Doesn't come off of there. That's what we want, all right? So we're gonna pull it on this side. Garlic powder here. All right, so now we're done with the garlic powder. We're gonna go ahead and, ooh, look at that little hole right there. Little hole, throw that in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, stick it in the hole. Okay, now we have some smoked paprika. Now, it's a little chunky here. Let me see if I can dump that. We're literally just gonna rub that all in there, right? All right, didn't have to put that much on there, but it's there. Too bad, this smoked paprika is gonna taste fabuloso. All right. Rub that in there like that. All right. Now, flip and flip. All right, add some more. Sea salt. All right, now we're gonna take these two and we're gonna put them in the bag and we're gonna let them sit in the bag for a couple hours. Now while those are marinating in the fridge, you know what I'm gonna do? Hit this tequila, baby. All right, so here's our pork chop, nice and marinated. Look at this, look at these chops. Man, they look great, don't they? Well, guess what? We can't cook them right now, man. Let me go show you what happened. See us over here? See all that nice, weird looking cloud right there? I said, oh, that's cool. I can still cook because that thing's harmless, right? And then as I turn over here, darkness. This is a bad cloud, my friends. This thing is going lightning bolts everywhere and all kinds of stuff. So I will not be cooking. Coming down now. It's ruined everything. And then I come out to film today, and this dude over here, see this? I can't even film. Look at this guy now. Jeez. And then I come out the front door, and the lawnmowers are running. All right, after 8 days of waiting, I'm finally gonna cook this dang food. But first, we're gonna toast to the Belvy. I don't know if you guys like Belvedere or not. We're just gonna do a little small shot here, because I'm almost out. And I might have to go get some, which means I would have to drive. You guys did not hear that. Sorry, children. Now, what we have is our pork chops. I like to keep them outside all night long. No, for real. I just put them out here because I wanted them to warm up a little faster than sitting in the house. It's 68 degrees in the house, so that's not gonna work. So I needed them to come up to almost room temperature. So it's faster outside. All right, the grill right now is at 550 degrees, somewhere in there, searing range. So we're gonna go ahead and take these pork chops out, slap them on the grill, and start the cook. All right, so we're about 2 minutes on this side. We're gonna go ahead and flip. Now, we're gonna go ahead and flip one time, and that's it. All right, flip once. Oh, flip once, and then we're gonna let it sit until about another 2 minutes here. Close it back up. Ooh, all right, back up again. Now, we should have some nice char on this side. Yes, sir, nice char over here. Now what we're gonna do is bring these over here to this side that's not on, okay? Now, 145 is the temperature that the FDA recently changed. We really want these to be somewhere around 148, 150, which this one is, no matter where we put it. So this one is done, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that. We're outside and we're about to eat these pork chops. Look what's happening right now. Aren't those great? Oh my goodness, let's go inside. All right, so this is what we got. We got these nice, juicy pork chops. Look at the juice fall. Oh shit, look at the juice. Man, we're gonna get a bite of this right now. I mean, they smell fantabulous. That's my new word for today. All right, so we're gonna go cut into this, man, and we're gonna get a bite right this second. So, you know what? I keep messing this up. I'm left-handed, so let me just get in here and, yeah, I know, left-handed person, right-handed world, wrong-handed person. I've heard it all. All right, let's just get right here. How about that? Oh, look at that. Jeez. Look at that cut. Jeez. I don't even know. Look at that. Oh, shit. You might think it's dry, but it's not dry. Look, see? Oh, shit, look at all the juice there. Yeah, so we're gonna get a bite of this. Look at that. See that? Nice and juicy. All right, so this is our number one bite. Fuck, I'm so hungry. I know it's gonna taste good already, but like, I don't know. You guys want some? Try it out, dude. Look at that. Look. Oh, shit. Or, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna like spin in circles and shit. But like, I don't wanna get dizzy. Holy shit. That's good. I'm telling you, that smoked paprika helps that. There's a nice little smokiness to it. All right, look. I don't have time to talk to you guys anymore. I gotta eat. I'm starving. It took 2 days to cook this stuff. 2 days. So I gotta go, okay? Hope you guys like this recipe. Hope you guys like that cook. Put in the comments what you think about it. If you don't like it, put that in the comments too. I like that, I read them. But right now I got these 2 pork chops and man, I gotta go, man. I'm starving, I gotta go. Hey, like, share this with your buddies. All those little things, those secret things they try to get you to do to get you to watch more videos. Do that. I gotta go. Bye.